Yeah.
All right.
Would be somewhere in there, though.
So today we're going to factor x squared plus bx plus c. This one. There's something wrong with you. Open it. Now, Tyreek, I need you to pay real close attention. Because remember, yesterday you had problems sliding your paper down. So let's watch what happens today. Are you ready today? Do you promise?
She's saying if you don't pay attention, she's going to kill you.
That's not what I said.
But you said there's something wrong. You said you can get away with this.
Alright, so pull it down, and we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk. We're gonna write up here.
You haven't meat a lot.
I don't eat meat.
You don't eat meat?
Mark made
Like he knows me.
He's going to go get us prostrate.
Not really. Alright, I can factor and not distract the class.
Wait a minute. It's chicken meat.
Oh my God.
That means you don't eat chicken meat.
You haven't live.
I can factor a trinomial
I had to convert for a second.
with a leading coefficient of 1. So this was the easy method, but I noticed before when we were doing this on your projects and in your notes and on your packet that you were still using the STAR method to solve this.
Star method's easy.
So I feel like we should do the STAR method every time so that we're being consistent. Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
That way we're practicing over and over and over and over and over.
I don't want to be slaughtered.
Oh, I hate
Huh? Mm-hmm. I'm going to put that in this afternoon. I just haven't had time. I finally finished grading. Kind of. One of them. They were all really great. Like, I was super proud of y'all's projects. I don't know. They were awesome. Like, I'm going to hang them all up on the hallway and take over the whole hallway. All right, so remember when you're solving these, you need two numbers that multiply to give you C, and what?
It had to give you.
B.
Yay, take a point. Both of you. Both of you get a point. Alright, so two numbers that multiply to give you C and add to give you B. Now, we also had to watch out for our signs. Does anybody remember what happened if C is positive?
You divide B.
Smash the star and B.
Yay, take a point. If C is positive, factors match B. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
One person agrees.
Yes.
All right. Do I need to give y'all a minute?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. At the end of class. All right, what about if C is negative?
You look at me.
Take a point.
Yeah, we take points. We can do it.
You got to be quicker than that. All right, so what happens if B is positive?
Your big number's positive.
Take a point.
Yay.
Both of you get a point. Calm down.
Hey, I was thinking that. I was thinking.
You should think out loud on that one occasion. If B is positive, the big factor is positive. Now, what do I mean by big factor?
The greatest common.
Nah. The big number of the two, right? So if we had 4 and 3, which one would be positive? If I had 8 and 9, which one would be positive?
9.
9. All right, what about if B is negative?
They're both negative.
They're both negative.
Nah.
Oh, those wrong.
Big number's negative?
The big factor is negative.
Yay.
You know there's a video of this, honey.
I know, but like,
What?
I already look at pictures because I have to write this down at some point.
Are you dying?
Yeah.
Do you need some water?
Yeah.
You want to drink some out of my cup, or do you want to go get some out of the water fountain?
Get some out of the cup. Yeah, get some out of the cup. I'll take some out of the cup.
Stop. What is wrong with you?
Nothing?
So much.
Perfectly normal.
I don't feel like that's accurate.
I do.
Alright, so on the bottom, we're going to work out our problems. Are we ready?
Go.
You haven't written anything down.
Why are you staring at me?
Because they want to watch you drink the water.
She's putting her hands on your straw.
Right there.
I'm trying to, I don't want to drink out of her straw.
Take the straw out, big double.
Don't you think small
Is that
fellas?
Small, tiny girl.
Jesus calls y'all big fellas.
Alright, right here.
Sit there. Usually I say,
Stop watching her, you weirdo children. Alright, please write factor each trinomial. Now, we are going to draw our new star that we're going to use for this method. Now, normally we would multiply A times C, correct?
Yes.
Right.
But what is A this time? Do we have a number out front?
No.
It's 1. So if we multiply 1 times C, that's going to be what?
C.
Okay, so we're going to have C right here. B still goes here. A, and these guys are still your factors.
Yes, they are.
Indeed.
There is so much wrong with that. I'm not going anywhere, honey.
I don't think there's
No,
anything
I'm
wrong
a
with I think my sister dropped it. But I don't know.
Alright, are we ready? Hopefully. Alright, A is x squared plus 6x plus 8. Do I need to move it up some?
Yes.
Okay.
You zoom in.
Yes.
A little. That's good.
Can everybody see? Alright, everybody draw your star.
I can show stuff.
Alright, what goes in the top?
8.
8. 8, which is C. I mean, C, which is 8. Alright, what goes in the bottom?
6.
Awesome. What goes on the top, left, and right? 1, which is A. Look at us go. Alright, now we need two numbers that multiply together to give us 8 and add to give us 6. Come on, look at us go. It's like you know how to multiply. Yes, baby. 4 times 2 was way too fast. Y'all too fast with that? Alright, now normally... Oh, I'm sorry.
what is this?
Normally you would reduce your fraction, but we don't have to reduce it because 1 is on top. Now, we put it in parentheses. Do we have to write the 1 in front of x?
No.
So we just write x plus 4 and x plus 2, and look at us go. Now, why did we choose 4 and 2 and not 1 and 8?
Because everyone
They don't add to equal 6.
Stop, breathe. 4 plus 2 gives us 6, 8 plus 1 would give us 9. That's why we chose those. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
Don't.
No, maybe.
And I said don't. We're not done yet. Alright, B.
I was thinking.
Why were both of our signs positive?
Because
Because there's 2 plus signs and C is positive. If you say there's 2 plus signs or C is positive, give your team a point.
Proud of you, Kobe.
That made my day.
Alright. B. W squared minus 11W plus 28. Yes, while y'all are giggling and talking, we've moved on to a new problem.
I got it.
Everybody draw your star.
Star.
Look at you go.
You know the first time you said draw a star, that is not the kind of star I do.
You're so funny. Would you rather me say draw an asterisk?
I don't know what that is.
That is an asterisk.
Asteroid?
Yes, it's an asteroid.
Oh, exactly.
Alright, what goes on the top?
28.
What goes on the bottom?
11.
Negative 11. 1 and 1. Now, both of our factors are going to be what? Negative. Because C is positive, B is negative. So we need two numbers that multiply to give us 28 and add to give us negative 11. What would that be?
Negative 7, negative 4.
Take a point. You said negative 7, negative 4. Take a point. Yes. All right. Now, do I need to reduce my fraction?
No.
So what do I write? Parker, why don't you help me out and tell me what to write? Parker's going to tell me.
What?
Tell me what to do.
I know.
All right, Tyreek, tell me.
Okay, once you get all of this, you put those things. Then you put,
Those are called parentheses.
but you put it X and 1. What W company?
Pumpkin, my letter is W.
Hey, you still got farther than Parker.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Parker should stop talking and pay attention. So remember, you take these, put it in your first parentheses, the other ones put it in your second parentheses. W comes from our problem. Uno más. Dos más. I know, babe.
Is there a trace mass?
Can we do like one?
We're going to come over here, right? Ma'am?
No, it's cold there. My face is cold, but it's like so hot in my head.
All right, C, y squared plus 13y minus 48. Now this time C is negative, so what do we have to do?
Look at me.
And our big factor is going to be,
Positive.
woo, we learned something.
Yes, we did.
Oh, she's been to the player.
Got excited.
Why don't you get excited about writing your notes down? All right, put a negative 48 up top.
For just a moment, have a quick announcement.
13,
There will be
1,
an NMS
1.
club meeting tomorrow in room 121.
What two numbers multiply to give you negative 48, add to give you 13?
Also, just as a reminder,
8 and negative 6 wouldn't work because I'd give you 2, right?
game on Friday. You must have your lists turned in by Thursday. No,
12 and 4 wouldn't work because I'd give you negative 8.
If you're planning to go,
Oh, from negative 16.3.
by Thursday.
Positive 16, negative 3.
Close enough.
Why don't they do that next period instead of this period?
On God.
Because a good chunk is an athletic PE. Alright, so that's the last one we're going to do. I'm going to pass out your homework worksheet. Now, you have a worksheet to complete tonight. You must show your work to get all your points. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
If you don't turn in an extra piece of paper with the work shown, I will not grade it. I will give you a 0. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Show your work. Great job today.